10 Best Quotes of Film Dial M for Murder 1954. Dial M for Murder. A suave tennis player, Ray Milland, plots the perfect murder, the dispatching of his wealthy wife, Grace Kelly, who is having an affair with a writer, Robert Cummings. Amazingly, the wife manages to stave off her attacker, a twist of fate that challenges the hubby's talent for improvisation. Alfred Hitchcock wisely stuck to the stage origins of Dial M for Murder, ignoring the temptation to open up the material from the home of the unhappy couple. The result may not be one of Hitchcock's deepest films, but it's a thoroughly engaging chamber movie. Tony Wendis, it's funny to think that just a year ago, I sat in that Knightsbridge pub actually planning to murder her. And I might have done it, if I hadn't seen something that changed my mind. C.A. Swan, well? What did you see? Tony Wendis, I saw you. Margot Mary Wendis, anyone would have realized he was dead. Just one look at those staring eyes. Chief Inspector Hubbard, so you did see his face, after all. Margot Mary Wendis, I saw his eyes. I can't remember his face. Mark Halliday, what is all this? Chief Inspector Hubbard, they talk about flat-footed policemen. May the saints protect us from the gifted amateur. Crime's the thing. And then you imagine you're going to steal something or murder somebody. Mark Halliday, this quote captures the writer's perspective on crafting a detective story, focusing on the crime itself. Oh, is that how you do it? It's interesting. Tony Wendis, this line from Tony reveals his fascination with the idea of a perfect crime, foreshadowing his own murderous plans. As you said, Mark, it might work out on paper, but congratulations, Inspector. Tony Wendis, defeated, Tony acknowledges his downfall while referencing Mark's earlier words about the limitations of a perfect crime. Anyone would have realized he was dead. Just one look at those staring eyes. Margot Wendis, Margot's description of the murdered man reflects her shock and emotional detachment. Tony Wendis, for most people, murder is a crime. For me, it is a profession. Mark Halliday, people don't commit murder on credit. Margot Mary Wendis, I'm beginning to feel a great deal of sympathy for the other woman. Chief Inspector Hubbard, I rather fancy you have given me a clue. Tony Wendis, with my wife, a madman may be all they need. Margot Mary Wendis, you know, if I were to lose you, I don't know what I'd do. Mark Halliday, there is no such thing as a perfect murder. That's just an illusion. Tony Wendis, I must say, it's a very ingenious plan. So simple. And it almost worked.